Here's a brief look at the top 5 features of the Samsung Galaxy M32 5G. Design. The Samsung Galaxy M32 5G is built out of plastic and comes in 2 colors, slate black and sky blue. The back of the phone curves nicely to meet the frame and the power button doubles up as the fingerprint reader. Display. The Samsung Galaxy M32 5G features a large 6.5-inch display that uses a TFT panel with an HD plus 1600 by 72 pixel resolution. The screen has a water drop notch in the center for the selfie camera up front that Samsung calls the Infinity V display. The display also has minimal bezels on the side and a slightly noticeable chin. Performance. Being an affordable mid-range phone, the Samsung Galaxy M32 5G performs exceptionally well when it comes to day-to-day tasks. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 720 chip with an octa-core CPU that has 2 performance cores running at up to 2.0 GHz and 6 power-efficient cores clocked in at 2.0 GHz. This is paired with 6GB or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage along with support for micro SD card. Cameras. The Samsung Galaxy M32 5G has quad cameras on the back with a 48-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a 123-degree field of view, a 5-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The rear camera can take good photos in daylight and can record in 4K Ultra HD at up to 30 frames per second. There is a 13-megapixel front-facing camera housed within the water drop notch cutout. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy M32 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that supports 15-watt fast charging out of the box. Samsung claims that users can expect over 20+ hours of video playback or up to 36 hours worth of voice calls from the Galaxy M32 5G. Well, that was all, so thank you so much for watching.